Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be playing Roblox with my sister, but when she's done with the game. Hurry up! I'm gonna just join her.
This might take a while.
I'm gonna just play by myself. What happened?
These are the non-goodies, and these are the goodies.
I used to take a painting over here, but not
Yeah, I
anymore.
separated them. So you
Because I
can
don't
collect
like it
them.
when there's
Thanks.
destruction.
I'm gonna collect this blue one
I'm gonna collect these ones.
and collect this orange one. Wait, I need one.
Wait. Wow.
I'm gonna grab a 4, and I'm gonna grab an.
Also, when I
Well,
woke
who are
up
you
and I
playing
saw
Uno
my
with?
subscribers, I have 41. Thank you so much.
I just want to separate the cards.
Anyways, guys, thank you for 1 subscriber.
Are you actually recording, Diggle?
Yeah.
This finger.
Good.
Ooh, red.
And make sure to like and subscribe for more Doors videos.
I heard him. Why is it so dark in here?
I'm just rushing through this.
There's another dark room.
Mr. Beast.
Oh, I'm blind.
I'm Mr. Beast. Welcome to your final test.
I'm Mr. Bread.
I'm Mr. Brad with a big D.
Nah.
I don't know.
I remember the last time I died to dupe.
Tick tock, tick
Mock.
tick tock. Boom.
Tick my talk.
Tick tock.
You again.
Tick tock, tick tock.
Shut up, Edward.
What?
If you guys haven't seen my other video where I made that box, it did take me for like 40 minutes.
27 minutes.
No, the bed was
47 minutes
the
and
key was
24
on the
seconds.
bed.
How do I know? Because I clicked stop and I wanted to see how long it would take me. Oh shoot.
Mr.
I'm already in the game for 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Mr. B, Mr. B,
Yeah.
Mr. B, Mr. B, Mr.
Apple.
Mr. B.
13, I meant, not 43. 14 now. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, now I want to.
Got it.
You guys have 2 drawers.
Yes, drawer.
Oh, yes, thank you, Rush.
Oh, I got a lockpick. found it.
Ooh. No.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Oh, there's an eye.
Billy's vicious speed.
I know he is. Snap back to reality. Oh.
Oh, found it already.
POV watching I show speed too much. Oh my god. Oh no. Don't blur out.
Wait, there's no more.
Whining
eyes.
floor.
I'm in the part. Oh my god, I love this part.
Wait till it blurs out. 24, 24, 24, 24. 20.
Oh my god,
Mr. Beast.
Oh my gosh.
Mr. Beast. 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 Mr.
Where do I go and everything? Man. Dang, I didn't have time. I tried to do it, but I couldn't. I'm just thinking. No, never mind. I could die. I will do that someday.
Dang, he was fast. That's why they call him Rush.
I didn't open that door.
I'm not even in the seek part yet. I bet this video can get the same numbers as likes and comments. Whoa, hey, don't creep up on me. Oh no, which door was it? It was legit 31.
Are you
No!
serious? I went in here for no reason. This thing always gets me. There we go.
This has to be the seek part. I knew it. You guys are playing Uno on the ground?
Underground, yeah.
Oh my god.
Underwear.
You're tripping.
Naruto run! He did the Naruto run for a few seconds.
I just like how the freezer made their rounds a little bit more
Yeah.
realistic. Shout out to him for
That's so nice.
This way again.
No, what? Did the light flicker?
No.
No.
I got no goodies.
Dead.
I got no goodies.
Anyways,
I got
bye
no
guys.
goodies,
See you in
but
the
all
next video.
reds. I got all the reds.
I guess I'm gonna have to donate some to you.
Or I can put the number. Makes sense.
Yeah, but Edward.
Four. They both got 4. Look, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I was just gonna come in the next
Okay.
door.
Edward, your turn.
Ay. 20. I saw it. I think it.
One or the
I'm gonna
color.
go. Wait, no. 44. Cause I kind of saw the 4 with the. I knew it.
I only have one of the colors. You have a 5.
45. Rush is coming in the next door. Never mind.
5 of the color. You got a red?
No, I have it too. I got it too.
I have enough for the crucifix if I pass figure.
Now we're back on red.
47.
Another.
Uno
48.
and Uno out. Lucky was easy.
Did you even get 7?
Huh?
Did you even get 7?
Yeah.
How did it took you so fast? Dang, so.
Because I got all reds.
Uno,
Bro,
Uno out.
Okay, let's restart.
Who's drinking some?
Okay, I'm gonna try to do this as a puzzle.
Another Naruto run. He is drunk as heck.
Are those 7? Oh. I'm gonna mix them.
Hey, you're just trying to get the goodest one.
No, I'm mixing them. I don't even know what are in the cards.
Gotta get to the side.
And I'm not gonna. I'm just facing them. 7. Here, take yours.
The book is the other side. Another book. Another one.
Whoa!
She's
I
right
got
there.
all goodies.
Me too.
Okay. And you will choose a card. What?
No. There's some books here, but I can't find them.
Wait, I have to go with the number.
Oh, okay. Wild. Which card?
Which color?
Green. It's right here. Now I gotta go up.
Reverse. So it's back to you. Wait. Oh wait, no, it's you. No, wait, no. Those. Oh yeah, you did a turn, so it's on me. So I did a green. Oh wait, I did a green card for the reverse. So it's back to me. Yeah, bye.
Alright, I just gotta go get the book over there.
It's back to you.
Come on, get downstairs.
Color.
Yes, he's right there. Please.
Yellow. Yellow. Get it.
Oh,
Come on, pick it. Okay. Okay. Wait.
6.
You put a yellow card.
Me?
Okay. Your turn.
I mean, my turn. I just need one more book.
Oh. This is great.
This is great. I only have 4 left.
I have 8. Yeah. Oh, I get to choose a color. Red.
No, I already have 4.
I get to choose the color.
What color? Red.
I know what that means.
Dog, what is he?
Keep the card.
Just this one.
I already did red.
Alright,
And there's one to you.
he's going.
Uh-oh, what color?
Blue. He's right there.
Going back to me.
I don't know.
Oh no, it's out.
No.
Second time I won.
Look. Shuffle card.
Seba, I already won.
Saucy cards.
It says you cannot shuffle cards while a person has won. Yeah.
Thank you.
See.
Thank you.
Ow, Seba.
I get AIDS when I look into aid. Please don't come here.
Seba, you cannot get all the goodies.
I'm dead. Wait, no, I'm not. How did? How did I survive from that, my guy? My main. Mine, how did I survive to that mine? I don't even know how I survived to that mine.
Rush, give me the cards, please.
Those are the only ones.
Rush, give me the cards, please.
Please don't kill me. Please don't come over here to kill me, please. Bro.
It sounds like you have been playing rough. Making money.
What the heck, Edward?
No, he's making
Triangle.
money from wrestling.
Where's triangle?
We have 5 revives.
983 98302.
What? No, you're gonna give them to you.
98302 98302. I got it. 9802. Let's go over there. Stop. Let's go.
Start off with me first.
9 8. Oh wait, no, it was already at 0.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing this
0.
again.
Wait, hold on. Wait.
I think I'm in jail right now.
98302. Dang it. 98302. I forgot.
You were right.
98302. Bruh. Just gotta wait for him to leave. 98302. Alright, I'm gonna remember it in my head.
Just because he wants the good ones. I don't want the
Go.
Wait, the game must choose a card.
0, 2. Got it.
That's where I found mine.
Choose a number.
I think they're in jail right now
5.
because they need a card.
No, it's glitching. Crucifix and coming for you. Where the crucifix at? Crucifix?
I know.
No.
You're in luck, bud.
Where the crucifix?
I would say the color blue.
Where did you put the crucifix, my guy? Where's the crucifix? No! Where is it? They're here?
I got goodies. Tell us about the DLC.
They're behind you? Ah!
Okay.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Let me just get the skeleton key. Here, take all my coins.
Blue. And it's my turn again.
I filled his whole jar. Why he ain't happy? Bro, frick him.
Oh, come on, you put it in a
I got the skeleton key out, please.
No, that was you.
What? No.
Wasn't it?
No,
I'm
I'm
trying to find a blue.
Damn it.
I skipped you 2 times.
Alright, pretend I have the crucifix. Oh.
What?
Dupe! What would that
I
for?
found it.
I'm gonna go
Guys, I put it green.
Great. Good thing I got it right.
I skipped you 4 times, so now it's going back to me.
What color?
Rushy is
Search
coming.
Bugatti.
Oh, yeah.
Damn it.
Going the gas station. I don't know what it's
I need to pick a card.
I couldn't. Oh, bro, thank you.
Don't think that's red. No, I have goodies.
Wait.
Oh,
All you had was the reverses.
what is
What
that?
the heck is that?
The wild card.
The wild card.
What color? Your Bugatti.
I would
61. I gotta keep count.
Yellow.
Oh my god, I hate these.
Oh my
I
god.
hate these rooms.
And the
Wait.
The last time I was doing it on this one, I got lost. So I just left the game.
It's just you have to
Didn't
get
know where was I.
where the color. Oh, color.
Yellow. Let's go. Oh my gosh.
I am so sorry, but
Coins like yours.
What
I
color?
hated them anyways.
You're
Which
begun.
I did.
Okay, it's going back to you.
I don't know if I should. I mean,
Color!
I need them. I need them for the casino.
You don't have any more yet?
Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the video here because I can't find the
Another one.
I can't find the freaking lever. Oh,
Okay.
never mind, I'm not.
Number card.
Anyways, let's.
Alright, here.
What else should I rob?
That's for you. You're in great luck.
There, I finally got it.
I tried going here, but
No, go.
oh, wait, wait, how? What? I don't.
Wait, please don't
I
skip it.
don't get it.
Oh, it's
How?
going
How
back
did
to
it
me.
No, again.
Because you're in luck. Because I have 2 cards.
Wait, so that means I'm stuck? Wait,
Halt, I guess.
6.
how do I do that? I want to know how.
5.
Yes.
Imagine you get a
Sebas,
4.
shut up.
And then you get 3, and then a 2, and then a 1.
No.
What is
Yo.
I thought you didn't have it, but you did. Just bet you go.
Let's go.
Crackers.
Oh my
No,
gosh.
nutcrackers.
I can't get up.
Wait, is this?
Right there.
Chug.
Oh, that does nothing
Chug
now.
mine.
Yo, I've never been in here.
I don't know why it's there. Oh no, it's going back to me, so thank you.
You're welcome. That's a luck. Let's go in there. He spends a little bit of time.
Oh
I
no.
thought the red lines.
Wait,
Let's get out of my way.
sorry, but. Get a card.
I'm sorry, guys. I just have to use the bathroom. Please don't blame. I'm just using the bathroom. I couldn't handle it. Yeah, hold on. I'm doing something right now. Hey. Got it. Go to there. Go into here. Go into there. Go into there. Got all of the pieces. Never mind, I didn't. Go to there. Go to there. I'm gonna beat doors for my viewers out there. Oh, never mind. Dupe. Please get deleted, dupe. Again. on. I seriously have to find a key. I'm in door 80. Door 81. What the heck? I knew he was coming, but I didn't hear him. Hold on. Wait, no. Please wait until it's safe. Oh, wait. Wait, what? I was like, where am I? And I didn't know he was coming, but I seriously died to him. The heck is this? It's all blue room. Hey, I was in here. I did got the keys. Whoa. I didn't even know that guy was coming. Just randomly appeared and then killed me out of nowhere. Frick. Whoop. There's no way. There is no way I just saw that white thing. If I die one more time, I'm dead. If I get... Thanks a lot, dupe. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more new videos of Doors.